This is an air cooler. It comes in a nice box, protected in styrofoam and plastic. We have the air cooler displayed. When you get your machine, you're going to open up the top lid. Inside the lid is going to be your instruction manual, your wheels, and your remote control. Going over the unit, you have louvers, 2 sets. Ones that run up and down, you simply grab to open manually, and the insides run automatically on the controls on the top or on the remote control that is located where it says swing. A warm white window with your controls of what you have on. Your indicator of water level minimum to maximum on the front, as well as on the back of the unit over here, a minimum and maximum when you fill. This over here is your filter that you open up, clean out, wash, place back in. With your own Phillips precision screwdriver, unscrew, pull off. The water circulates through here, down the filter, and into the container. It is simple as putting back the filter, like so. This is a locking mechanism. Locks the door from being open. A small handle to grab. Side to side, you open by sliding out. The water fills into this area and seeps down into the unit. There is a water pump that can be taken out by a simple press on the clear tab, by lifting up and removing the tray if ever need to empty and refill. Replacing the tray is as simple as lifting up on the pump, placing the piece on, and snapping down, closing up. When adding water, 1.54 gallons of water, or equivalent to 6 liters. You have ice crystals built into the container that you simply unscrew, add water to, place in the freezer. First, add your crystal containers into the tray, 1 to 4, depending on how cool you want your room to be. Close up your container. Lock the door, lift the top cover, and pour your water in. As you see the water fill into the bottom. Hold the lid up and continue to slowly add your water until you hit the maximum level. When you have filled your unit to the maximum level of your desire, we are going to plug in the unit, turn around the unit. It has 4 caster wheels that could be rolled anywhere imaginable. It has an on and off red light to show red in the off state. Pressing on the on and off red button, you have fan number 1, speed, fan number 2, and fan number 3, and back to fan number 1. Above the speed will be a timer of 0 through 12 hours. You have a swing. If you look right where my index finger's at, you'll see it start to swing left to right, slowly, 30 degrees. You have a swing indicator on top, and right below that will be the cool button as a snowflake. Press again, cool is off. We'll leave it on cool. And we have a mode, different mode levels. Press mode for a Christmas tree, and that'll give you your gentle, fast, slow, off, on, and so forth. Then the next mode is sleep mode, which will be silent, quiet. And then you have the off mode, which is normal fan speed. On the top of the unit, you have a lock, so this way nobody can hit the buttons, change them. They'll beep. And you have all the controls that are on the remote control as well. If you open up the lid to inspect the water circulating from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom. To give you an idea of the temperature, it is 53 degrees Fahrenheit. As the water goes to the top, circulates through the fan to cool the air off, there is the water going down in the bottom and pumping up all the way to the top, recirculating with the cool ice packs inside. Give you an idea how the filter has cool, and give you the idea where the heat is going on the bottom at 48 degrees, 61 degrees, an average temperature of 57 degrees. You're camping, you're boating, you're RVing, you're in a room, a garage, a place to work. If you also need to have something portable with the power station, you could simply plug in and have your little unit portable by grabbing the handles and taking anywhere you need to have. You're exercising, you need to cool off, and you don't have an outlet by you. You're exercising, you need to have something to cool you off in the kitchen while cooking on those summer days. Cool yourself off in rooms that need air to circulate around. The 1.54 6-liter AC cooler, portable with ice packets, reusable time over again and again. Adding water into the unit that circulates via a pump to cool your rooms off. This is a portable air conditioner that you could take anywhere imaginable. Your RV, your boat, your car, your business, a small room, a big room, a place where you don't have AC with the power station. On those outages that you need to have cool air. You don't have to add the ice crystals. The water circulating enough may be cool enough for your needs. You don't have to run any additional hoses or more. I hope you enjoy your product if you're looking for a 6-liter portable air cooler system. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.